Plants are important to me because one of my favorite parts about biology is just learning about the diversity of all the organisms on the planet. With animals, you see them living in all kinds of ecosystems, and at the basis of those ecosystems are plants. So a lot of people should really understand that plants are a crucial part of keeping the wild wild.
The herbarium here is one of the earliest pieces of CSU. We date back to 1883. These specimens, which are our baseline biological data for ecological studies, for environmental impact studies, for global change, for genetic diversity of populations, we need to preserve these long term. The specimens that I collect here and that others collect, whether they're researchers at CSU or whether they're enthusiastic amateurs, they will be here over long periods of time as well.
As a work study student here at the Herbarium, I'm in charge of specimens from the loose leaf newspaper collections that we get from collectors that donate their specimens here. So that includes taking loose specimens and mounting them on specific specialized herbarium paper, and then getting that databased in a way that people can look up what specimens are here and find what they need in case they need to use it for research. And then from there, the specimens are imaged and I get to put them into these massive cabinets full of all kinds of specimens.
We are really preserving the biodiversity here, and we help other researchers on campus, not just within the College of Natural Sciences.
Many people at the Natural Heritage Program utilize this workspace, and it has so many resources here. It's so great to have an herbarium on campus and to be able to come to these nice microscopes and use the Ackerfield key and be able to identify to 20 times magnification for those really small plant parts that actually make the difference from one species to the next.
We have been fortunate based on a recent fundraising campaign. That's allowed us to revitalize this room. It's allowed us to have this compactor here. We should be able to continuously grow the collection for the next several decades while having a great working space that we did not have before.
I think it's important to keep up the herbarium because in this way the specimens will last for literally hundreds of years. And so in a sense, if you're donating to the herbarium, you're leaving a legacy, a part of a legacy.